Welcome to Programming for Mechanical Engineering, EML 2032. We will cover the main course objectives, focusing initially on data types. The core objectives of this course include understanding the foundational tools of programming, recognizing how these tools can be harnessed to build extensive software, particularly tailored for the mechanical engineering domain, grasping how data structures and algorithms can be instrumental in developing programs that tackle more intricate problems in mechanical engineering, highlighting the three principal goals that will guide our academic journey in this course. Wondering how to excel in this course? Bear in mind that computer programming isn't just a skill, it's an art. As aptly stated by Donald E. Knuth, it's the art of computer programming. As we venture into learning a programming language, it's imperative to familiarize ourselves with certain key aspects, namely, the terminology, various data types, actions or operations. Slide 6 to Slide 11. These slides delve deeper into the realm of data types. Detailed discussions and examples pertaining to data types will be presented. Let's showcase some operations on numeric data types. To determine the variable type in Python, simply enter the instruction type in the program. A float number data type in Python is used to represent decimal numbers or numbers with fractional parts. It includes numbers like 0.125 or 0.001. Allowing you to work with values that aren't whole numbers. Performing arithmetic operations on float number data types maintains their type, yielding another float number as the result. Here are additional specialized arithmetic operations in Python. These operations are asterisk representing exponentiation, / indicating floor division, and percent denoting remainder. Let's wrap up today's session. Looking forward to our next class where we'll continue our exploration. Thank you for your attention. See you next class.